Here's a quick unboxing of the smart lock. You can see some of the features here. It does come with one of these key fobs, has a touchscreen keypad, also fingerprint, and it's really cool. You can download an app to control the lock. So we can see here, I've got the box open. It comes with lots of manuals and instructions. Here is the actual lock itself. There is this part, and then it does also include this one as well. And then it has a lot of cool things. So there is a screwdriver included in the box. There is this packet of the keys. You can see these are the locks that go into the door. There's all kinds of like screws and bolts. The key fobs are also in there. Here's another part that's included. I want to try to find the key fob so you guys can see the size. It's a really, oh, there they are. It's a really small size. So here it is. It's this big. This is the card that you can use to attach to your keys to use to get into the door. So all this is nicely packaged and included. I thought this was just such a funny little touch, but really nice. Excited to try this out.